Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index daily update for Thursday the 3rd of August 2023. This is the XJO Daily Chart, 90 bars, so 3 months of trading. Here's the highs of the range just up here. Price pushed above those highs more recently. Now the ASX 200 Index closed lower again today, as you can see. Increased supply was drawn out in overseas markets last night, and they ended up closing considerably lower. And this weakness was reflected in the trading on the local market today, where price pulled back further in response. And you can see that today here. Spread, seen as a measure of volatility, narrowed somewhat today, and at the same time volume remained at similar levels to yesterday. This suggests that moderate buying support emerged today, and at this stage the buying support may only prove speculative to some degree. However, in effect its action will help to stabilise the market. Now you can see that price effectively closed adjacent to the highs of this bar here, and this is where we had a little period of absorption previously through here like this. The market had come up from this 6-day pullback, which was very unorthodox, to be honest, at the time, and then it moved out above this level into a period of absorption as it moved above that level there. You can see this is a breakdown line in the background, and it caught these highs here. The market pulled back, attempted to go through here, caught the market again there, and then this time when the market pushed through, it moved into a period of absorption. It actually did it over 2 little periods like this here, but it was over 6 or 8 days in the end before the price pushed out the top. So the market's come back and it's effectively found support adjacent to this period of absorption in the background. You can see the close was off the day's lows here. It's clearly showing you where the support emerged today, and the close was at the logical level here, which corresponds with this bar's high, which is effectively pushing out the top of this 6-bar pullback or reversal. It's effectively a 6-bar shakeout, although that's pretty unorthodox. And to be honest, when it was pulling back here, we were on falling volume, so if it was engineered, they didn't really draw out any great supply, and then when the market was effectively buying back, they still didn't get any great supply before it accelerated higher on this bar. So it was a little unusual, that whole thing. But in the context of everything else, it's a 6-bar shakeout, and then the market's moved into absorption mode here before pushing out the top. Now its price has pulled back, mostly in sympathy with overseas markets, and it's attempting to find support adjacent to this period of absorption in the background. Now if overseas markets begin to stabilise tonight, I expect the market will make an ongoing attempt to support around these current levels, but that's yet to be seen. If the market does continue to have trouble, there's a level that goes pretty much through there. You can see the closes here, here, the highs here, all correspond with that level, and that's likely to be where price pulls back to if there's ongoing weakness overseas. But at this point, I would expect the market to make an attempt to consolidate sort of in this zone here, especially if overseas markets are able to find some sort of stabilising factors tonight. So we'll see what happens there, and we'll know whether the price is probably going to support here or come back to this sort of level. The level below that is pretty much down here, between here and the lows here. So there's another one below that if you need another one to look for in there. Okay, that's my lot, just a quick one today. Thanks for your time. See ya.